fresh controversy has emerged around a Lamborghini allegedly owned by Ricky Rai, son of late Muthappa Rai, after a viral video showed the luxury sports car being driven at high speed on Bengaluru's airport road. The vehicle bearing registration number KA05NR0009 was reportedly seen producing loud exhaust bursts and emitting flames from its modified silencer. Bengaluru Police have begun verifying the viral footage and are expected to register a case before launching a detailed investigation. Officials will examine when the incident took place, who was driving the car, who else was inside the vehicle, and whether any traffic laws were violated. The development comes months after the same Lamborghini was involved in a drifting case on March 21st near Kumble Circle and Cubbon Road. Ricky Rai had initially denied driving the vehicle, but CCTV footage later confirmed that he was behind the wheel, leading to the registration of an FIR at the Cubbon Park Police Station. During the court proceedings, Ricky Rai's lawyers argued that poor road conditions had caused the car to skid and that he had merely demonstrated his driving skills while controlling the vehicle. The argument drew criticism, and the matter concluded with the car owner paying the court-imposed penalty. With the new video now under scrutiny, police are analyzing the evidence and may initiate legal action under the Karnataka Motor Vehicles Act 1988 for alleged offences including overspeeding, the use of modified silencer, excessive noise, and other traffic violations. Officials have said that all aspects of the case will be thoroughly examined before the investigation proceeds further. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.